Hey there, believers! Today, let's dive into a topic that's close to our hearts. Why true faith needs more than just preaching. When someone teaches the Word of God, be it well or badly, we mustn't forbid their preaching. Good intentions are invaluable. Even if they lack sufficient enlightenment, let them preach. But remember, there are two essential conditions. First, be certain in your faith. Know it deeply, feel it genuinely. Without this certainty, your words are empty. Second, never be satisfied with what you know. Continually improve your mind and spirit. Abandoning learning is like depriving yourself of a divine blessing. What good is a preacher who follows rituals but lacks true understanding? Imagine someone winding a turban around their head, fasting rigorously, offering prayers, and appearing pious. Yet, if they don't know the right place to repeat or pause in a prayer, their efforts fall short. Faith is more than rituals. It's about inner transformation. A negligent person, lacking strictness in their ways and compassion, cannot be a true believer. Without self-discipline and consistency, one cannot keep Iman, the faith, in their soul. So, let's strive not just to preach but to live our faith fully. Embrace learning, seek deeper understanding, and let our actions reflect our beliefs. True faith isn't just about what we say, but how we live and grow every day. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay blessed and keep the faith alive. At end of text.